Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag X ALICIA Keys for August of 2022. I got an email yesterday or the day before saying that they were changing things up and giving us the X for the first time for the PR instead of the regular Glam Bag and Plus. And I was like, excuse me! So I'm so excited to open this up and show you what I got in here. Of course, you guys know Choice Day is on August 2nd, and I do want you guys to share with me your choices and stuff. I did deactivate my Facebook and my Instagram and all of that, so just let me know down in the comments, what did you get in your Ipsy X this month? What did you choose? What did Ipsy choose for you? So let me know down in the comments. So I'm just super shocked and extremely excited about this because I love ALICIA Keys so much. So can't wait to open this up and show you what I got. So if you're into these types of videos for me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially if you're already watching this video and you haven't subscribed. Just click the button. It would literally melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get started. Okie dokie, Ipsy Glam Bag X ALICIA Keys, y'all. I'm so excited, so beyond excited. Okay, so I know that I have a lack of makeup on my face right now, but that's because I'm going through it and I just don't feel like it right now, okay? That's my explanation. So here is the Ipsy card. Empowered State of Mind, August 2022. The key to empowerment. Sometimes it's about blasting a power anthem, sticking to a self-care ritual, or grounding yourself with affirmations. Just ask music icon ALICIA Keys, who's inviting you to step into your power with her limited edition Glam Bag X collection. Rewriting the rules. So what's really cool about this box is I actually have product information this time that they sent over, so I will pull that up so we can get the product info. So the first thing that I am going to pull out is from Keys Soul Care, because this would not be an ALICIA Keys Glam Bag X without some of her products, which are available at Ulta. So this is the Keys Soul Care Be Luminous Exfoliator. So this is an exfoliating powder. So this says that it retails for $25. It says, customize your cleansing experience with this water-activated powder to foam exfoliator. Alicia's tip is add less water for a more intense exfoliation. So here's the packaging. This is actually the first time I'm actually seeing the brand in person. I haven't been to Ulta in forever, and it's a nice glass bottle. It says on the back, I am layered, complex, and divine, and I can see the powder in there. So, okay, yeah, you just have the little cap here, and I'm sure you just... I don't know how it works, but we'll try it not right here because then it'll just make a mess. So that's super exciting. The next product is also from Keys Soul Care. This is the Skin Transformation Cream. So this is $32. It says this face cream takes its transformation moniker seriously by using potent bacterial, I don't know, that's a big word for me, to help improve tone and texture. Alicia's tip is take a few deep breaths to let the calming scent work its magic. Also, really nice packaging. It says, I welcome all circumstances as catalysts for change. Let's go ahead and give it a scent sniff. It does smell really good. It's kind of like a light fragrance, but like very muted, so it's just very... like not super potent, but like it smells good. So excited to try that. Let's see. Oh, okay. So we have this from Keys Soul Care. This is a big boy. This is the Audison Facial Roller. So this is $25. Add a luxe touch to your routine with this massage tool that helps accelerate the benefits of your other products. Alicia's tip, obsidian stone is known to block negative energy and clear Psychic Smog. That's why I deactivated all of my social media and I'm only on YouTube because I'm blocking negative energy. Here it is. It says, I am strong, capable, and unstoppable. Super cute. I really like this packaging. It's like nice. Okay. Oh, okay. So what I like about this, it says Keys Soul Care down here, but it's actually really nicely made and it doesn't feel cheap like you get in subscription boxes or you can even buy. It actually feels so nice. And I cannot wait to use this over everything else because this is the nicest roller that I now own. And I'm so excited. So, yay, love that. Next up we have this product, which I'm very excited about. Pericone Md, you guys. Amazing. A vitamin C Ester citrus brightening cleanser. I love cleansers and I've always wanted to try Pericone Md, like a full product. Non-drying formula cleanses without stripping skin of natural oils, visibly improving skin clarity, texture, and tone. Skin is left looking radiant and feeling refreshed. Let's see, how much does this baby cost? This is $35. Let's see the packaging. It comes with a booklet of instructions and then here's the product. I want to smell it. I'm so excited. This is going in my shower ASAP. ASAP. Smells really good. Very excited about that. Turtle, what are you doing? Turtle. My cat Turtle is like, come here, Turtle. You want to say hi to everyone? This is Turtle. My kitten Turtle. Say hi. Hi, my name is Turtle. Okay, there you go. So next product that I'm pulling out is this big package here. There's a lot of big packages in here. The Word Woke Cool Steam Eye Mask, which is interesting. Okay, the perfect spa treatment on the go or in your home. Each session gently promotes the appearance of hydrated, revitalized eyes. Cool plus warm gels, heat cells, eye mask. So cool therapy, place clear gels in the refrigerator or freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. For steam therapy, place clear gel in microwave on low for 10 to 15 seconds. Steam therapy, remove a pair of heat cells from packaging and insert into eye mask sleeves. Patches will warm up within 30 seconds. Use immediately. Or an eye mask uses a regular sleep mask without inserting cool/heat cells. Oh, okay. The whole cooling thing actually sounds really great for when I get headaches. Okay, so here we have the eye mask. Boom. And then we have just the little, these thingies here. And then here we have the steam session, reduces dark circles and puffy eyes. I guess you can repurchase these. I'm not really sure how many times you can use these, but here are those. And then we have the Cool Gels, which, hold on, they're stuck in here. Here they are. So these you could reuse over and over again, I know for sure. So you can just put these in the fridge. And then I'm actually really excited about that. How much does this baby cost? Because I get headaches all the time and having this on the ready is going to be great. $49.99 for that. Insane. But it's like got sticky on it. But really, really excited about trying that. Next up, I have the worst thing I could possibly get. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection. This is the Extreme Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper. This stuff hurts, you guys. I don't think I've ever tried the Extreme unless they're all Extreme, because I have this and I tried it and I thought I was going to die because it hurt so bad. So I am not going to use this because I literally could have cried. This is $29. If you know, you know. I'm a baby, so it hurts. I did not like it. Next up we have from Bobbi Brown a Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. And this is in the shade Golden Bronze, which is great because I think I have the other one that is available. So there you could get 2 shades, vanilla or golden bronze, and I'm pretty sure I have vanilla. And this little guy retails for 30 bucks, which is super insane, but great brand. Let me go ahead and just swatch the color. Amazing payoff. I absolutely love shadow sticks and all of that, so very happy to add that to my collection. And then I have one last product in here to show you guys that I received, and I'm actually excited about it, even though it's not my color story, but I'm excited to have a product from this brand. So this is from Lawless, and this is the Baby One Talc Free Mini Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $25. Let's just see what this looks like in person. Maybe I'll like it more. Yeah, it's just not my color story. I do really like these shimmers right here, but I don't see myself really ever using this, but very happy that this is a product that you could receive, you could choose, all of that. So that is everything that came in the Glam Bag X for me for August of 2022. Again, let me know down in the comments, what are you going to choose? Leave it all down below whenever it is choice day and after, and whenever you want to. But very excited. Thanks so much again to Ipsy for being the best. Yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!